Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna try part two, or not part two, but take two of all this. I did an entire video, luckily it was short, and my phone turned off and it was just not good. So let's get into it. These are items that I found at normal Goodwill retail stores, not the outlet. So I did pay up for them, compared to what I normally pay. This is a linen jumpsuit by the brand Drew. I paid $6.99 for it. It is a size small. So there is this. This brand is carried at Anthro, but it's a super cute jumpsuit. Has this cute fringe down there. That'll be going on Poshmark. I hope to get around 50 bucks for it. However, everything is open to offers. Dang, I think I did just find a flaw. Well, I didn't think this was flawed, but apparently it is. Just a little bit though. This is a Brighton bag. Because it is a small purse, and mini purses are really in, I did pick it up. Our purses are marked for $4.49 at our Goodwills. Why can't I get this? There we go. The inside is kind of that wallet look, but you can easily fit your phone in it, zip it up and carry it as a crossbody. So I thought that was a good pickup. This is new with tag Calvin Klein. It is a size large. This was $3.99, originally priced for $59. So that was a pretty good pickup. There is like stitching right there. I'm gonna try it on for myself first, and then if it doesn't work out, I'll decide what to do with it then. This is adorable. I've never heard this brand before, however, it is extremely expensive. It's called Lowit, I think. This is a size 16, so it is a larger size. Has this really cute elastic band to cinch you in. It'll really flatter a curvy girl. No stains. The zipper is what like made me look up the brand. So it's a very quality zipper. So yeah, this originally retailed for $2.99, so $299, and I got it for $6.99. So that's awesome. This is a cabbie top I actually bought to try on myself. This was originally priced for $4.49. Super cute. I believe it's 56% linen. Stripes, white, linen, like all that right now is really, really hot. So I've been trying to pick it up, especially white dresses. Like they are flying off the shelf. So this is a J. Crew scalloped top. It's scalloped at the neck, scalloped at the bottom. Size 12, if I didn't say it already. The tag is falling off, but it is an older J. Crew factory tag, so it has that off-white backing with the brown stitching. But I thought it was really cute, and it's in my size, and I keep saying cute, and I'm sorry if it gets annoying, but this stuff is cute. Besides that, the price was $6.99. And there's no stains that I can tell, no holes. I'm gonna try it for myself just to add to my dress collection in my closet. If it doesn't work out, you'll see it listed. These shoes are Van Ellie, I think is how you say it. I'm not 100% sure. They have scallops as well, which I think scallops in. And I'm not just saying that because I have these two scalloped items, but I also just thought it was, considering like the Lily Pulitzer shorts I sold a couple weeks ago, they were scalloped as well. But these are a size 9. If they don't fit me, you'll see these listed as well. They have these really cute like oblong circle heels, and you can just, it's quality. This is We the Free size large tank top, so my size again. It is missing the metal We the Free tag. However, because I saw this, I knew it was We the Free. I never find size large. It's always size extra small or size small. So when I saw this, I got really excited, and we're gonna try it for myself, and if it doesn't work, I think my little sister said she wanted to try it, but that girl is like a size small. So I'll offer it to her, but if it doesn't fit, I'm gonna take it back. This is a size medium, Free People. It's a Free People beach dress. It is missing the inside slip. There is the tag. It says there you go, FP Beach. So Free People Beach. It normally has a slip, but in this case, I went ahead and picked it up though, because slips are easy to come by. A lot of times you have multiple dresses that have them. And you can also just throw that over a swimsuit, and I feel like it'd be super cute. So that's why I picked it up. That was also $6.99. This is $4.49 is how much I paid for it. It's a Taylor Swift red t-shirt. My husband loves Taylor Swift. He is a T-Swift fan, for sure. That he's actually like made me one. But I bought this because I do have the goal of eventually surprising him with Taylor Swift tickets. However, they're super, super, super expensive. And if we do a Taylor Swift concert, like I want it to be the full, like the real deal. Like I want him to meet it, backstage passes and meet her. So I bought that in hopes that one day I'll get to wear it to a concert. But also her t-shirts sell pretty good. So yeah, if you ever find artist shirts, definitely look them up, because a lot of times they sell out, or they like each tour only gets, oh, what am I saying? Sorry, I've been up for a very long time today. Gus woke me up this morning at like 5:30, 6 o'clock, and I've been up since, and I normally don't get up till 9:30. Besides that though, so band t-shirts, typically they only make the same shirts for one tour. So when you see them out, you might want to check, because a lot of times the people that went to those concerts, they decide not to buy the shirt, and then later are like, dang, I do want one, and then they'll look for it on eBay or Poshmark, and easy money. Next up is this bra. It's my size, and it's like the straps were convertible, I guess. You can take them off and make it strapless. So I went ahead and picked it up. It was kind of pricey. It was $3.99, but bras are expensive. And it is Victoria's Secret as well, which I hate shopping there. So when I find them out and they've been used, it's whatever. This is an Athleta tank top. I'm going to offer this, I believe, to my older sister. It's between us, our size. I paid $3.99 for it. The tag's actually missing, or I didn't see a printed tag, but the inside tag does say Athleta. Like when I say inside, like the screen printed tag was missing, but right there it says Athleta. So if you can't find a tag on a tank top, but you think it's Athleta, just keep looking. This is a new tag, J. Crew. As you can tell, it has the black J. Crew, so it is newer, and it's a 1X. I typically wouldn't have picked this up, but because it is new tag, I went ahead and picked it up, and it was only $3.99. Next up is another Athleta piece. It's a size large. I did buy this for myself. If I don't like it, though, I'll offer my sister it. This was $3.99. This is a cabbie t-shirt. Well, not t-shirt, but like blouse. Size small. I typically don't pick up smalls. And it is a new cabbie tag, so it was $4.49. That's kind of a test piece. I've never sold cabbie. I've never really found it till recently, so yeah, it's a tester. This is Anthropologie postmark, super cute. It's $6.99 is what I paid for it. It does have a little bit of like discoloration right here, but I still think somebody would be interested in it, and it's adorable. I wish it was my size, but it's a size 4. Next up is another Anthro piece. It is called, I will never remember this, Weston wear. and it was $3.99. It's a size large. Anthropologie size large is always worth picking up at the right price. So when I say right price, like tops, I would pay $5 for it. This is a J. Crew size large as well. Once again, the black stitching. These kind of dresses are selling really well right now, so I went ahead and picked this up, and it was $6.99 too. I'm trying to hurry through just because I know it's gonna cut me off, and that's gonna irritate me. I have like 3 more items. So this is Sanctuary. Not really sure where this is sold at, but I thought it was cute, and I'm gonna try it for myself first. And then if it doesn't fit, I'll sell it. But it was brown tagged, so it was half off. It was $3.99, and I just realized I'm missing a top. Oh well. It's a J. Crew top that I bought for myself. So yeah. Next up is this Brighton belt. It has, belts are really in. They're like statement belts are really in right now. The Brighton tag's there. So I don't know if I'll take it to a resale shop or if I will keep that for myself. And last but not least, this Burberry bag. So this is the luxury piece that you see on my I forget what they call it. You know that picture for when you click on videos? This is it. It's a mini bag. I honestly had to authenticate it myself in a sense that somebody cut out the this tag that would have said like made in Italy or wherever it was made. Someone cut it out. I'm assuming it was too bulky for them and they just snipped it, which is freaking crazy to me. But here is the Burberry tag. As you can tell, the stitching is very consistent. The stamping's consistent. There's Burberry label here. Burberry there, I believe. It's hard to tell. And then also the Burberry sign is here, here, and here. And then all the plaid lines up consistently around the entire bag. So those were my big tells on the fact that it was authentic, and I am going to get it third-party authenticated as well. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I think I'm running out of time, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye!